This How to 1 Minute will show you how to take break from threads. You can get a reminder to take a break when you spend this amount of time at once on threads. So first of all, launch your Thread app and go to your profile. Tap on this menu icon at the top right corner. Select account. Tap on take a break. Now you can take a break for 10 minutes, 20 minutes or 30 minutes. So if I select 10 minutes, every 10 minutes I'll get a reminder to take a break. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.